Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Code Artist, and today we are going to see a beautiful login page using Typescript. Okay, and so without any wastage of timing, let's see what we are going to see today. Yeah, here is the our project. I have already opened it to avoid any wastage of timing. So let's see the effect. Clicking over the sign up, it moved to the sign up page, and here is the sign up effect. You can see the button effect and username, email, password. You can fill those all things. Okay, and one of us, let's click on the sign in. It will move to the sign in page. Okay, and guys, if you do not want to use this icon, just remove it, or if you want to use any other platform like Facebook, Twitter, or Insta, just place it here. Okay, and here username, password. Okay, and this page is responsive also. I will show you responsiveness of this page. See the mobile responsive of this page. See, on clicking over the sign up, see the effect. It is now vertically. In the laptop view it was horizontally, but in the mobile view it is vertically. Okay, and this is in the laptop view. Okay, and guys, do not forget to customize it according to your use. Here I designed it for e-commerce website. Here is the shopping. If you want to use it in any other website, any blogging website or any other website, customize it according to your project. Like use this SVG icons or image according to your project. Okay, and these colors, like I kept a bluish color, so change it according to your project layout. That's not a big task, you can easily do this. Okay, let's move to the code part. I will explain the code, and guys, if you think I'm providing some good content to you, so please support my channel also, so that I continue my work. Okay, this is the code part. I've already opened it. For icons, I'm using font awesome icons. So you can use any other icons also. I'm talking about these icons like Google, LinkedIn, this user, email, lock. Okay, and this is the code here. That's the simple code. I think everyone more familiar with this code. Okay, see the code. That's not a complex code, and do not need to explain any function like hook or any other things. That's a simple look. I'm not using any third-party library for this. And here is the CSS code. I commented out it, and just copy and paste in your project. Comment it and copy it and paste it in your project. Okay, I will provide this file to you. This is the whole CSS code. That's a long list of CSS. Okay, and this is total JSS code. Okay, and guys, if you think you can design it by yourself, you can design much better than me, just go for it. You will learn a lot of things. And if you have a shortage of timing, or you are feeling any difficulty to design this, so just pay me only ₹5. I will provide you the source code file on the WhatsApp. Okay, that's a minimal amount. Only I'm asking for only ₹5, just for my effort, for my work, for my hard work, for this design, for creating this type of designs. Okay, and thanks guys, thanks, watch till the end, and thanks a lot.